Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to match your transactions on QuickBooks, then this video is for you. I will walk you through exact steps to match your bank transactions with your records so your books stay clean, accurate, and audit ready. So first thing you have to do is log into your QuickBooks account. So once you're logged in, you have to do is simply click on transactions. From here, you can find bank transfers or bank transactions. So once you are on the bank transaction, you have to connect your account with your bank account. Simply click on connect account, where you will be able to connect your bank account easily from here. You can search for your bank name or the bank website URL, the online portal URL, so you can find your exact bank that you want to connect. Also, you can click on show more to watch all the banks that are available right now in QuickBooks according to your location. So once you have connect your bank account, you can find this type of interface where you can find all the transactions that just imported automatically from your bank feeds to your QuickBooks. So once you find it, you have to do is simply click on this categorized here. Once you have clicked on categorized, you can find the gear icon. Simply click on the gear icon where you can find automatic matching. Simply turn it on. Simply click on this toggle button for once and it will turn on the automatic matches. So you can find a match that here. You can find the rule where you can find automatic match here. So you can find all the transactions that automatically match that you have already added to your QuickBooks. So you can do is simply click on it, and if you want to undo it or cancel this transaction, so you can simply click on undo and it will cancel. Now if you want to cancel or turn off the automatic matches, so you can simply click on this gear icon here, and you can do is click on this toggle button for once and it will turn off automatically. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.